Hello guys, since the build is available on the Redshift forum, I will show you the Optics Denoiser and the Altus Denoiser. As you can see in the setups you can choose which one you will use or not, and you will have different results. This is a little test I made. As you can see, without the noise I have this result. I will just zoom a little. With optics, I have this. This is better. Not perfect, but better. And with Altus, I have this. This is the best result, and the render time it's a little longer than with optics and without denoising. But as you can see, the Altus is really nice. Without optics, Altus. Okay. So, to activate the denoiser, you have to choose here. I will activate the optics. Optics works in hyper-render and bucket render, and Altus works only on bucket render. Altus is for finish image, and optics you can use it every time you want, and this is nice. I will just launch the IPR. I will remove this. So, if you move your object, if you zoom, etc., as you can see, this is fast, and the denoiser needs some sample to start working. And as you can see, we can see it working now. Some parts are already clean, some other need more sample, as you can see here. But for those parts, this is really nice. I will zoom. You will see this is really fast. Okay, we can see the denoiser working now. And this is fast. Here it's not perfect, but here it's better. I will zoom a little. Okay. We can see when it's working. Here. So, I will show you my settings. As you can see, this is quite simple. The adaptive error threshold is at 0.1, and I have the optics. I don't have any sampling override. I have a little brute force irradiance cache with this result, these settings, and that's it. It's quite simple. We will use this picture to see, to test it, and you have to add some custom AOVs. Here, if you go on the Redshift forum, you will have Panos tell us to add some extra AOVs. Diffuse filter, bump normal for the optics, and diffuse filter, world position, and bump normals for the Altus. So, I will launch a render on no denoiser. We will see the difference. So, no denoiser. I have two settings. I will launch my render. We really need a stamp to see which time, how many times the render takes. I hope they will add this as soon as possible. So, this is starting for the normal render. I will keep the render running because it's fast and you can see directly the result. Okay, so this part is not bad. We can see some noise on those parts here. here. Okay, I will save the picture. I will choose optics. I will launch optics, launch the render, sorry. And I'm in Full HD. I will put this to 100%, and that's it. So optics first create some passes, and after launch the render. And this is fast. We can see, yopla. Here we have less, but it's a little blurry on some parts. The denoiser has not been worked with Redshift now, so later we will have a better performance, better render, better results, and as you can see, this is already nice. So I will save this. I will choose Altus now, and I will launch the render. Like this. This is a really simple scene, it's not a production scene, it's simple, but you can see the denoiser working, and I think it's nice. As you can see, Altus create another pass after the render, and we will have the watermark and the final result after. As you can see, it's way longer than optics and no denoiser, but the result should be much better. Okay, that's it. So this is the result we have with Altus. As you can see, this is quite nice. We have something really nice. We will see. I did not save on optics. My bad. No, I did it, but I did not on this one. Okay, so this is the optics result. I will zoom without denoising, with optics, and with Altus. For now, Altus gives the best result. Later, optics will be much better, but right now it's Altus wins. Without optics, Altus. But Altus is maybe 2 times the optics and no denoiser render. But the result is perfect. So great. I like it. So that's it for the little preview on the Redshift denoiser with NVIDIA and Altus. And as you can see, this is really simple, and the results are really great. And like I said, optics will be better and better. And this is nice. Last thing, Altus is not free, as you can see. You have to buy a license. Right now it's really expensive, but Panos said that they will talk with them to make something better. Okay, bye bye.